Good morning, students. Today start chapter 4 Coordinate Geometry. Now, what is coordinate geometry? It is a branch of geometry which set up a definite corresponding between the position point in a plane or at a pair of algebraic number called coordinates. Again repeated here, it is a branch of geometry which set up definite correspondence between the position point in a plane and a pair of algebraics called coordinate geometry. Okay, now here comes axis of coordinate. Axis of coordinate. Look at here. Here is two axes. OX, OY are called x-axis and y-axis. In the figure, OX and OY are called x-axis and y-axis, and both together are known as axis of coordinate. Coordinate of the origin. In the zero distance between from the axis, so its abscissa and ordinate are both 0. Therefore, the coordinate of origins are 0, 0. Abscissa. The distance of the point P from y-axis is called abscissa. OM is the abscissa. Ordinate. The distance of the point P from x-axis is called the ordinate. Now quadrant. The axis divide the plane into 4 parts. These 4 parts are called coordinate. So the plane consists of axis and quadrants. The plane is called the Cartesian plane of the coordinate or the coordinate plane of the xy plane. These are called coordinate axes. There is the first coordinate, second, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Your first quadrant, rules of the sign of coordinate. Here is the plus plus, second is minus plus, third is minus minus, fourth is plus comma minus. Again repeated here. In the first quadrant, both coordinates, abscissa and ordinate of points are positive. In the point second quadrant, for a point, abscissa is negative and ordinate is positive. In the third quadrant, for a point which abscissa and ordinates are negative. And fourth point, in the fourth quadrant, for a point the abscissa is positive and the ordinate is negative. Now here coordinates, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. X coordinate positive, plus plus, minus plus, minus minus, and plus minus here. Exercise 4. The coordinate of origin. The coordinate of origin is 0, 0. Abscissa of a point is positive in a first and fourth quadrant. Point 0,4 lie on the y-axis. 0,4 lie on the y-axis. On question number 11, on which axis do the given points lie? 0,4 lie on y-axis, minus 2,0 lie on the x-axis, and 3,0 lie on x-axis. 0, minus 1 lie on y-axis. Question 12. Draw a quadrilateral R3, 2, 2, 3, minus 4, 5 and 5, minus 3. First of all, draw the axis. Point A 3, point A 3, B is 2. So this point is 3, 2. B is 2 and C is 3. So point B is 3, 2. Your first point, second point, and third point minus 4, 5. So point here is C. Now join of this line AB and AC. And D point is here 5, minus 3, 5.5 and minus 3, 5, minus 3. And join also a AD. Join AD. Join the line BD. Join the line BD. Like this figure. Join AB, BC and CD. So this is a quadrilateral ABCD. Now question number 80. A point lie on x-axis at a distance of 9 units from y-axis. A point lie on x-axis at a distance of 9 units from the y-axis means 9, 0. Point is 9, 0. And next is, what will be the coordinate if lie on y-axis at a distance of 9 units from the x-axis? So point right here is 0, minus 9. Point right here 0, minus 9. Next question, plot the point 0, minus 5 and minus 2, minus 5. First of all, look at here 0, minus 5. This is your origin O. Point is minus 5 in negative direction of y-axis. So write here point A 0, minus 5. Next point is minus 2, minus 5. So these points is B is minus 2, 5. Let us show on the axis. Point 0, minus 5 and minus 2, minus 5. Next question, question number 24. Name the quadrant in which the following points lie. Name the quadrant in which the following points lie. Minus 5, minus 4, 2, minus 4, minus 7, 6 and 2, 3. Minus 5, minus 4, third quadrant lie in third quadrant because both are sign are negative. First positive, second is negative, so lie on the fourth quadrant. First negative, second positive lie on the second quadrant. If 2, 3 are the both are positive, lie on the first quadrant. Next question, question number 25. In figure PQR is an equilateral triangle In the coordinate q and r 0, 4 and 0, -4, find the coordinate of the vertex P. Now this figure, this distance is 4 unit and this is also 4. Now total distance is equal to 8 unit. Triangle is an equilateral triangle, so all sides are equal right here, 8, 8 and 8. Now in triangle OPQ, apply Pythagoras theorem. PQ square is equal to OP square plus OQ square. Now look at here. OQ 4, OR 4. Now PQ is equal to 4 plus 4, 8. PQ is equal to QR is equal to 8. Side of an equilateral triangle. In triangle PQO, OPQQ 4, PQ 8. Now apply Pythagoras theorem. PQ square equal to OQ square plus OP. 8 square is equal to 4 square plus OP square. 8 का square 64 minus 16 is equal to 48. Now 40 is divided 16 into 3. Now OP is equal to 4 root 3. The coordinate of P is equal to 4 root 3 comma 0. Next question. Question 31. The following table given the number of pens and their corresponding cost. Plot these as ordered pair and join them. What type of graph? Number of pen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and price in 3, 6, 12 and 15. Write here first are in ordered pair. 1, 3, 2, 6, 4, 12 and 5, 15. Scale in x unit, 10 small column is equal to 1 unit, y axis 10 small column is equal to 1 unit. Now look at here all of you. That is the graph. In x axis, origin is O, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, x axis. First point 1, 3, right here 1, 3. Second is 2, 6. Third is 4, 12. And fifth is 5, 15. Now join of these lines. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D is a straight line. A, B, C, D is a straight line. Draw the line. A, B, C, D straight line. So graph is a straight line. Okay children, this video is your over.